Over the years, we've all done it. Waited for a train. Our wait was for the Ghan, travelling from Adelaide in South Australia to Darwin in the Northern Territory. It should arrive at 5 p.m. So that gives us time to explore the station and the town of Port Augusta. The current station was built to serve the Transcontinental Railway to Kalgoorlie in Western Australia and was officially opened for passengers in October 1917. Up to 3,500 men worked on the construction of the line, which cost just over £13 million, and that's a freight train going from Perth to Adelaide. Walking towards the waiting room, we came across wall paintings depicting the history of the building of the railway and the early pioneers of South Australia. On the opposite wall, paintings depicting the Aboriginal culture. I walked down to the harbour and we are in an area which would once have been a bustling port, which now has been taken over for leisure and pleasure. The mountains in the distance are the Flinders Ranges. What a grand way of keeping cool in the midday sun. Ouch. The town shops and buildings have changed very little over the years, and they give great shade from the midday sun. The architecture of the courthouse and the other buildings around town, although of a European design, have lost none of their splendour by having corrugated steel roofs. Indeed, one would be pleased to own such a lovely bungalow, the design incorporating a porch along its front and side to give shade from the November sun, and thus also giving a pleasant area to sit in the breeze without getting a tan. Just after 5 p.m. our wait was over as the Ghan came into view on its way from Adelaide. It has 2 locomotives for the long haul north. It's always sensible to bring a spare, just in case of trouble, as there are very few places of shade after leaving Port Augusta, whether you are travelling either north or east. It's a further 20 hours until it arrives in Alice Springs, and 1 day more until Darwin comes into view. The Ghan only travels once a week, so it's better to wait than miss it. At this point, we say goodbye to the Ghan and wish it well on its journey north, at the same time looking forward to our journey on the Ghan in a week's time.